Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use sound equalizer of your JBL Race earbuds. So first of all, you have to be connected with this JBL headphones application, and next, when you select your application from the list, you have to scroll down and simply open the equalizer. It appears right here. So you can just click on this arrow, and right now at the bottom we can find three presets. That's the club, studio and JBL Endurance Race equalizer. As you can see, at this two default setup, presets, we cannot remove, but when you go for this one, you can just simply remove it. So when you click on the trash icon and then tap remove, you will get rid of that, and you will basically get more. Like, we can find jazz, vocal, bass, club, studio, and simply if you want to customize any of this default preset, you can just tap on this settings icon, and here with this dots you can simply pick the favorite setup of the equalizer. And if you want to reset this preset, just click here, but if you want to save any changes, just click here. And as you can see, that's this second vocal preset. So you cannot change this default presets, you'll only create the new one from the already existing. And if you want to enable or disable the equalizer, you can just click on this switcher in the right upper corner of your JBL headphones application. And that's how it looks. Hope you like it.